Hey everybody, how's it going today? Hey, today I'm working on a 99 ML320, which is a Mercedes Benz. So I started looking at it, and the guy just wanted to generally look over, oil change, da 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 da. So when I went down to go check the belt, if you can see right here, the pulley is actually broken. The pulley is supposed to look like that. So basically, they're a plastic pulley. I don't understand why they put plastic pulleys on cars. Plastic does not belong on cars. So anyway, we're gonna put a belt on this and this pulley to fix this problem, because this pulley is gonna be just gonna cut through this belt now and probably through the belt. The guy that owns the car just told me that he just recently got back from Baltimore. I'm like, oh my gosh, you are so lucky that you made it back. Well, anyway, so it's always a good idea that when you change the oil, you look at the belts and the hoses and everything really, really close to make sure everything's still in good shape. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. This is just, one of the quick ones to show you what goes on when I look over cars.